Welcome everyone to the What Happens When channel, where everyday questions are answered. Before we get into it, why don't you hit the subscribe, like, and smash the notification bell? Okay, let's do this.
Throughout history, humanity has been captivated by the simple pleasure of chewing gum, but a persistent myth has caused unnecessary worry for generations. The idea that swallowed gum remains in your digestive system for 7 years. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating science behind what really happens when you swallow gum and the remarkable journey of how this chewy treat evolved from ancient tree sap to the modern confection we know today. The story of gum begins thousands of years ago, when ancient civilizations discovered that certain trees produce sticky substances that could be chewed for enjoyment. The ancient Greeks chewed mastiche, a resin from the mastic tree, while the ancient Maya civilization used chicle from the sapodilla tree. These natural substances weren't just for pleasure. They were often used for their medicinal properties, helping to freshen breath and clean teeth. But let's address the elephant in the room. What actually happens when you swallow gum? The truth is far less dramatic than the urban legends would have you believe. Your digestive system is an incredibly efficient machine, designed to process a wide variety of substances. When you swallow gum, it enters your digestive tract just like any other food. The key difference is that while your body can break down most of the ingredients in gum, it can't digest the gum base itself. The journey begins in your mouth, where the act of chewing has already removed most of the flavoring, sweeteners, and other water-soluble ingredients. What remains is primarily the gum base, which is a combination of food-grade resins, waxes, and synthetic materials. As you swallow, the gum travels down your esophagus and into your stomach, where powerful acids and enzymatic processes begin their work. In your stomach, the remaining digestible ingredients are broken down and absorbed, but the gum base remains intact. This is where many people's concerns begin. They worry that the gum will stick to the stomach walls or create some kind of blockage. However, your stomach's powerful muscular contractions, combined with its acidic environment, prevent the gum from adhering to anything. Instead, it continues its journey through your digestive system, moving through the small intestine and into the large intestine. The entire process typically takes between 40 hours and 3 days, the same time it takes for most other indigestible substances to pass through your system. The gum base is eventually eliminated from your body through normal digestive processes, completely unchanged but harmless. It's worth noting that while swallowing gum isn't recommended, it's not inherently dangerous for most people unless consumed in large quantities or swallowed frequently. Modern gum manufacturing is a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. The process begins with the creation of the gum base, which has evolved significantly from its natural origins. Today's gum base is a carefully formulated mixture of polyethylene and polyvinyl acetate, food-grade resins, waxes, and emulsifiers. These ingredients are heated and melted together in large mixing vats, creating a smooth, consistent base that provides the characteristic chewy texture we all know and love. The transformation from raw materials to finished product is a fascinating journey through industrial engineering. Once the gum base is prepared, it's combined with various sweeteners, both artificial and natural, along with softeners and flavoring agents. This mixture is then kneaded like bread dough in huge mixing machines that ensure even distribution of all ingredients. The resulting mass is rolled into sheets and cut into the familiar shapes we see in stores, or formed into pellets, strips, or other creative formations. The science behind gum's unique properties is equally fascinating. The reason gum maintains its chewy consistency without dissolving like other candies lies in its molecular structure. The long polymer chains in the gum base create a network that traps air bubbles and other ingredients, giving gum its distinctive texture. These molecules are too large and stable to be broken down by our digestive enzymes, which is why the gum base passes through our system intact. Looking at the global impact of gum production and consumption reveals some surprising statistics. The global chewing gum market is valued at billions of dollars annually, with millions of tons produced each year. This massive industry has led to significant innovations in sustainable production methods, and biodegradable alternatives to traditional synthetic gum bases, addressing environmental concerns about gum disposal and its impact on urban environments. The environmental aspect of gum production and disposal has become increasingly important in recent years. Traditional gum bases, being synthetic and non-biodegradable, can persist in the environment for years when improperly disposed of. This has led to the development of new, eco-friendly alternatives made from natural substances that maintain the desired chewy texture while being more environmentally responsible. Safety considerations around gum consumption are particularly important for parents and caregivers. While occasional gum swallowing isn't dangerous for most people, it's important to teach children proper gum chewing habits. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that children shouldn't be given gum until they can understand the importance of not swallowing it, typically around age 4 or 5. The medical community has actually found several potential benefits to gum chewing when done properly. Studies have shown that sugar-free gum can help prevent tooth decay by stimulating saliva production, which helps neutralize acid in the mouth. Some research even suggests that chewing gum after surgery can help stimulate bowel function and reduce recovery time. Modern gum manufacturers continue to innovate, developing new formulations that offer additional benefits beyond simple pleasure. Functional gums now include ingredients for teeth whitening, breath freshening, and even delivery of vitamins or caffeine. These advances show how far we've come from the simple tree resins chewed by our ancestors. The cultural impact of chewing gum around the world presents an interesting study in global customs and attitudes. While it's widely accepted in many Western countries, some cultures consider public gum chewing impolite, and certain countries have strict regulations about gum sales and disposal. Singapore's famous gum ban, implemented in 1992, demonstrates how seriously some societies take the environmental and social impacts of gum. Understanding the digestive process in detail helps explain why swallowed gum doesn't pose the threat many people fear. Our digestive system is a remarkable sequence of organs and processes designed to extract nutrients from food while safely passing any indigestible materials. The mouth begins the process with mechanical breakdown and enzyme action, followed by the stomach's powerful acid treatment and muscular churning. The small intestine, where most nutrient absorption occurs, continues to process any digestible components while moving the indigestible gum base along. The large intestine, specialized in water absorption and waste processing, efficiently handles the remaining material. This sophisticated system ensures that even though we can't digest the gum base, it passes through our body without causing harm. Historical perspectives on gum and its perceived dangers provide an interesting lens through which to view changing medical understanding. The 7-year myth likely originated from well-meaning parents trying to discourage children from swallowing gum, but it has persisted despite clear scientific evidence to the contrary. This persistence demonstrates how urban legends can maintain their hold on public imagination, even in the face of contradicting facts. The future of gum production looks toward increasingly sustainable and health-conscious options. Researchers are developing new biodegradable bases, exploring natural sweeteners, and investigating potential therapeutic applications. Some companies are even experimenting with gum that can detect certain medical conditions or deliver medications, showing how this simple pleasure might evolve into a tool for health monitoring and treatment. Understanding what happens when we swallow gum helps dispel unnecessary fears while highlighting the remarkable efficiency of our digestive system. While it's still best to dispose of gum properly rather than swallowing it, the process is far less dramatic than many people believe. The journey from ancient tree sap to modern dental health aid demonstrates humanity's ability to transform natural discoveries into sophisticated products while maintaining their essential appeal. As we continue to advance our understanding of digestion and material science, the humble piece of chewing gum serves as a reminder of how everyday items can reveal complex scientific principles and challenge common misconceptions. The next time you enjoy a piece of gum, remember the fascinating journey it represents, from ancient natural remedies to modern food science, and through the remarkable system that is the human digestive tract.
Thanks for watching.